Hello, welcome to my channel. Are you a first-time traveler? Are you relocating from Africa to a Western country? Watch this video. Today, we are going to be talking about what you should carry along when immigrating to a new country. If you ask me, what people miss most from their parent country when they travel abroad is food. Their local delicacies from their parent country may not be easily available. It could be very expensive. The quality could not be there. It could not even be available at all. When you leave Nigeria or any African country to Europe, to Canada, to America, apart from your loved ones, you begin to miss your local food. I tell you, nobody misses corruption. Nobody misses their bad government. Nobody misses lack of adequate infrastructure, bumpy roads, poor electricity, a bad economy, poor education, lack of well-paying jobs, insecurity. Nobody misses it. However, people miss their family, their loved ones, and probably some local delicacies. That is if you are a proper African. Like me, I'm the African man originally, I'm a proper Nigerian. I'm telling you, I miss my local food when I travel. When you relocate abroad for the first time, the first few weeks, you'll be enjoying burger, pizza, potato chips, ketchup, chicken peri-peri, all the mede-mede, lasagna, all these Oyibo food. But later, it will now dawn on you, you start craving local spices, local delicacies. Things like your roasted plantain, your pamoya and yam, your plantain chips, your chin-chin, your native soup, see, like egusi, pepper soup with fresh fish, okporoko, your fisherman soup, your bitter leaf soup, your eba, your fufu, your starch, your ogbono soup, your ewedu and gbegiri, your banga soup, oweri, efo riro. If you ask me, man, Western food is just like snacks. All these potato chips, what is that? It always like snacks. It's not rich food. It's burger, rich food. It is snacks. My point is that later you start missing your food, the local delicacies, the ones you were brought up with. So what's the solution? If you ask me, if you miss your family, you can do WhatsApp calls, WhatsApp video calls more often, and this will help you alleviate that craving. But if you miss your local food, why not carry it along when traveling? My brother, my sister, carry your local food along when traveling. And just pray that customs or all the airport officials, they don't catch you or they don't seize your product. Most likely they won't. There are a few things you can do to package your foodstuffs that it will guarantee that it will not be confiscated at the airport. One of the most important things, buy Ziploc bags. After buying Ziploc bags, prepare your foods well, dry your foods well. If you are carrying palm oil, freeze it into block and wrap it properly. Dry your fresh fish, grind your ogbono, dry it properly. You crush your maggi so that it will take up more space. You can carry more maggi. Dry your bitter leaf, dry your ugu, dry your scent leaf, dry your pepper. Anything that you can dry, please dry it. Because you know why? Airport, they don't like wet goods. Put your food in Ziploc bags. Put them in Ziploc bags. Package it well, so that you will not have problem at the airport. Here are a few things I like to carry when I'm traveling. The point is, don't fill your bag with a lot of clothes and shoes. Trust me, you can get quality clothing, you can get shoes in your destination country. Most often, the cold weather will not let you wear what you like wearing in your country. Your native attire, your buba, your wrapper, you're not able to wear those. Just carry the basic essentials and let food be at least 70% of what you are carrying in your entire luggage. You'll be glad you did, trust me. Thanks for watching this video. If you'd like me to do a video about what you should not carry when traveling, please let me know at the comment section below. Like, subscribe if you haven't already, share with your friends and families that are looking to travel, that are looking to jackpot abroad. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.